Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If Windows Manager is showing high GPU usage on your system, then watch this video to find the solution. The first thing we can do is to update our graphics card drivers. We can do that by searching for Device Manager in the search box. Click on it and then we will check for display adapters. Right click on this, click on Update Adapter, search automatically for drivers and it should solve the problem. But if it doesn't, then we can also adjust the resolution settings. Right click on the start button, go to settings and then click on system, display setting, and then we will click here on scale and set it to the recommended scale. Click here on the resolution and adjust it to the recommended resolution. And we will also run an SFC scan just to check for any file errors. So look for command prompt, right click on it, click on run as administrator, click yes, and then enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Wait for the scan to finish, then restart the system by pressing on the start button and then clicking on the power button and then clicking on restart, and this error should disappear. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.